Hey y'all, we back. You see, I got the radiator out. As you see, all you gotta do, like I said, take out the two top radiator hoses. Take out the two top radiator hoses. And this one right here. The two coolant lines, which are like an 18mm wrench. Or you can use a adjustable or pliers or whatever you want to use. And this electrical connector down here, which has, let the camera focus. Oh shit. Two push the sides together, release it, pull it down. There's the radiator. As you see, it just sit in there, snap in at the bottom. You see this one is kind of busted, but here's the new one. See, you gotta fit this into the grooves. You just slide it in, no bolting it in or nothing. Yeah, this one is kind of bad. Once again, this is 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350. Pretty simple job, for real. Just gotta have patience. It's a Benz. Get back at y'all when I get it in.